Hello, this is a tutorial. I want to teach you how to recover your deleted photos using hand-drawn. With your phone, go to Play Store, open Play Store, then install an app known as Disk Photo Recovery. We install. As you can see, it is installing. To take a lot of time. Then, after installing, you click Open. Now, when you open, you know that there are some hard devices there. Now, for you to recover or to retrieve the written photos, click on Start Basic Photo Scan, like that. So you have to allow the disk digger to access photos and media on your device. Click Allow. You can see it is retrieving. You can see all your photos which have been retrieved. Disk digger has found 69 recoverable files. Okay. Then you click on Recover. When you click on Recover, you have to choose the files, the photos which are displayed here. There are many, so depend of the photos that you deleted and you want to recover. You choose to depend with the photos that you want to retrieve. You click. If you want to select all, well and good. Then click on Recover. When you click on Recover, you have an option. Where do you want your files to be recovered? Where do you want them to be saved? If you want to choose the files to be saved on Google device, on your device such as Google Drive, well and good. If you want to save them on your internal memory, or if you want to upload the files to an FTP server, well, but for me, let me choose internal memory of my phone. I click option 2. Then I have to select where do I want the photos to be saved, which folder. Can click DCIM, another folder, click Restored, then finally click OK. You know that 7 files which I already chosen have been recovered. When you want to go and check, you go back to your phone memory or to the place where you've chosen the files to be recovered. Then you know that all your photos, your chosen photos, have been fully recovered. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. But before I head up, if you are enjoying my tutorials, I would urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to get more updates and more tutorials. Thank you.